Start.
Hello students, welcome to the class 12 macroeconomics chapter 9 excess demand and deficient demand. In this chapter we will discuss about what is excess demand and what is deficient demand and why it is arise in the economy. As you know that excess demand refers to when the demand of various goods and services in the economy increases at full employment level, then it will call excess demand. And the deficient demand, when the aggregate demand is going to decrease at full employment level, then it is called deficient demand. And excess demand refers to the situation when aggregate demand is in excess of aggregate supply corresponding to full employment in the economy. That means AD greater than AS. This is called excess demand at full employment level. And we can visualize it with the help of a diagram. See, this is the y-axis, x-axis, and this is the origin, and this is the AS curve, AD curve here, C plus I. Excess demand, this is the equilibrium, level of employment, initial. Due to excess demand, the aggregate demand will shift upward AD1 C plus I. The new equilibrium has been established in the economy M1 E1. This is called the excess demand from the full employment level. Why it is happening in the economy? This is the excess demand. This is the excess demand. With this diagram, we can see that why it is causes excess demand in economy due to increase in consumption expenditure, increase in investment expenditure, increase in government expenditure, and increase in exports. These are the 5 reasons due to which the excess demand exists in the economy. What is the impact of excess demand? First impact on employment, as there is full utilization of the resources available in the economy, thus there is full employment, hence excess demand does not lead to any increase in the level of employment. And impact on output will not going to increase because resources are fully employed. And third one, impact on prices, as there is a crisis of commodities, so price will increase in the economy. This is called excess demand. Let us consider the situation of deficient demand. In case of deficient demand, the situation is just opposite to the excess demand. Right here, deficient demand. So is the diagram, y-axis, x-axis. So this is the air, this is the AD, C plus I, and due to deficient demand it will come shift to the downward. This is the AD1 C plus I, and this is the PM, and this is the new equilibrium M1, and this much amount has been deteriorated in the previous one. Deficient demand. This is called deficient demand. Why it is arise in the economy? It is arise due to the causes of deficient demand: decrease in consumption expenditure, decrease in employment, investment expenditure, decrease in government expenditure, and decrease in exports. These are the 5 reasons due to which decrease in demand or deficient demand arise. Let us see the impact of deficient demand. Impact on employment. Employment will decrease because due to the decrease in the demand, producer will produce less amount of that commodity. And impact on output, due to full fall in investment and employment in the economy, the output also tends to fall. And impact on prices, as there is a decrease in demand, price will also come down. This is called the situation of excess demand and deficient demand. The excess demand causes inflationary situation in the economy, and the deficient demand causes deflationary situation in the economy. Thank you for watching the video. In the next class, we will discuss the policy measures to control excess demand and deficient demand. Thank you.